Hi everybody, it's been a while but we're back and it's grilling season, so we're gonna do a whole series on grilling. Okay? And it's 4th of July, so we have steak. And here's how I like to do my steak. I have a little grill set up to have indirect heat. What that means is there's only heat on one side and there's no heat on this side. And what I'm gonna do with that is, if you see I have my steaks, you want to get it as thick as possible. And I have a thermometer probe which will help me in determining what temperature the steak is, and I'm going to put it on the cold side. Okay, it's going to be on the cold side of the grill, and I'm going to close it, and we're looking for 115 degrees Fahrenheit for initial cook on an indirect heat. So that's what I'm going to put here. We'll see how long it takes. Hi everybody. I didn't show you what I used to smoke the steaks first. When it's cold, you want to smoke with wood of your choice, and I like to use whiskey barrel wood because it gives a little bit more complexity and flavor. So I'm going to put it here, and usually one is plenty. It's pretty big, so one is plenty. I'm going to put it on top of the coals. Just close it up, and it should begin smoking and give the steaks a nice flavor. We'll be back after it hits 115 again. Hi everybody, so we're back. As you can see, the ribs, the steak is nicely smoked. It's cooked. It's actually 118. I'm gonna pull it and we're gonna let it cool, because the next stage is we gotta sear it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the grill up, and you do that by opening the vents. I'm going to open the vents on both sides, and that should cool off. You want to get it roaring hot, and then I'll sear it on the next. You'll see after that. Thanks. Hi everybody. So I took it at 115, as you know, and then I got the grill here as hot as possible with searing hot coals, and now I'm just searing off the steak. You can see it's nice and brown. I'm just browning it. The steak has rested while the coals were going, and now it's done. I'm going to take it out. Nicely brown. We don't want grill marks. We actually want an even sear, and this is how the steak looked. Alright, so join us for more grilling episodes coming up this summer. Thanks.